Hi, it's Michael Tiny Saul. It's Thursday, June 23rd at 8:38 p.m., and this is management of the brand new stock market trading watch list for the week of June 20th, 2011. Had 4 stocks to watch. 3 of them opened lower than the entry, so they were canceled as per the video rules. This one, Broadsoft, did trigger 34.87, half size, stops 36.87. Look at a move to break even on trade to 34.27. It didn't quite get there. Still looking for half off plus 2 and half off plus 520. So this one in danger of stopping out, but we kept everything half size. You can see some of these moves strange, like this Ulta. It would have fired off, right, because it traded lower early, but it did not. It opened up at 60.74, which was a good 30 cents below the entry. And this one, I think, let's see, yeah, probably would have, no, it would not have. I don't think it traded enough to move stops. What happened is my TradeStation crashed yesterday. And when I mean crashed, I mean it wiped out all my indicators and everything. So all my notes are gone. I have to reference the video to see where the entries are. And that's, you know, a great lesson for those who just aren't prepared. I mean, I was half prepared. I'm backing up my TradeStation now every week, which is great. But how I wasn't prepared is rather than writing the trades down in an Excel document, what I do is after I write out the notes, I just save the workspace. So I'm figuring, okay, I'm good. You know, I'll have all the entries here. I can manage them like that. But it didn't happen. So, you know, it's a good idea to also write them down in a separate place. But I didn't. So anyway, you see, here's this Ulta. Okay, that had a big move. Here's Lulu, which just a monster move. And this one opened up nicely below the entry, so this didn't trigger off. And then the final one was Goldman, which actually, if it would have been a go with trade, in other words, just short the open, it would have been okay, you know, for a little bit. It didn't close that much down off the open, right? 133.10, and the close was 32.36. But they were all cancels, and this is what I was afraid of with this type of market, because if you have been watching my S&P 500 video, I've been talking about putting in the low of the range, and I'll go to it real quick, but I'll do the video later, of course. You know, I was talking about how the 200-day may hold support, but I was looking for us to go somewhere between these two lines, a full retest and the 162% external retracement. But so far we haven't gotten there, and like I said today, this may be work done on the test of the 200-day moving average here. So I don't think we go screaming here. And, you know, for those of you, I'm going off on a little bit here talking about the S&P 500. I probably shouldn't. I want to stick with the watch list on these videos. But, you know, I'm not looking for a big trending move here. I'm looking for us to stay range bound for a while anyway. But I think it'll set up some real nice swing opportunities. So no new trades for Friday. Broadsoft is the only one, okay, that's active. I'll do another update over the weekend as well as viewer requests. I'm getting a lot of stocks in this week, so I'm going to have to trim the fat off the list in order to keep it decent and under 15 minutes for the video. And, of course, the Forex analysis and my S&P video, which you can find on the blog or through StockTwits if you are a follower of me there. That's it. I'll talk to everybody again over the weekend. Have a great trading day on Friday.